While there are no truly easy ways to make money that guarantee quick riches, some relatively straightforward methods can help you earn income with effort and dedication. 1. Traditional employment. Securing a job with a stable salary or hourly wage is a conventional and dependable way to earn money. Job search websites and networking can help you find suitable positions. 2. Freelancing. Leverage your skills in areas like writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing to offer services on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Freelancing allows you to set your rates and choose your projects. 3. Investing. Investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds can grow your wealth over time. It's crucial to educate yourself about investment strategies and risks before diving in. 4. Online content creation. If you have a talent for creating content, you can monetize it through platforms like YouTube, blogging, or affiliate marketing. Building an audience takes time, but it can eventually lead to advertising revenue and sponsorships. 5. Side hustles. Explore part-time gigs or side businesses, such as ride-sharing, food delivery, or selling crafts online. These options can provide additional income alongside your primary job. 6. Teaching or tutoring. Share your expertise by offering online tutoring or creating courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Your knowledge can become a valuable source of income. 7. Passive income. Generating passive income through investments like dividend stocks, real estate rentals, or successful apps websites can provide ongoing revenue with less day-to-day involvement. 8. Renting assets. Consider renting out your spare room on Airbnb, your vehicle on Turo, or equipment tools you own to earn extra cash. While these methods offer potential for income, they all require dedication, learning, and effort. Avoid schemes promising instant wealth, as they often lead to financial losses. Choose the approach that aligns with your skills, interests, and long-term financial goals for the best chance of success.